outside Carlton's and John says, anybody want an ice cream?
Ah, he was a pretzel.
Right, he says ice cream shop with pretzel.
Brilliant. Yeah, Paul, you get a hold on to it. It's a lot of force on your knee. Even if you get a fast hold, you can feel your kayak starting to get over. You know, it's against the tide.
I think I'm not follow that one.
Right?
I couldn't see because you were like that.
Uh-oh. It's not flying here. Doesn't look too bad, I think. Work the moods off.
Ah, too bad.
Sorry about that, Simon. I thought
That's alright.
It was honestly the power in it. I thought it was just going to go straight my hand. Alright, just work the moods off.
Looks lovely. I didn't even see where it went because
Look what mine is.